Next question, Shalom Koloff. If one lives in a place without a kosher Eruv, how can she dip in the Mikvah for family purity on Shabbos? Is she allowed to postpone the dipping?
No, what's up? Even there is no Eruv, but why does she need an Eruv? I mean, she just go there, and Mikvah by us it's open on Shabbos, and of course they rely on honesty of these people, of Jewish women, that they're going to pay after Shabbos. Like they call with a credit card, they can charge over the phone, the credit card, and of course that they open they provide all of this shampoo, body wash, they have everything, towels, slippers, or whatever you need. So basically, you just come there, go there. Everything is ready, and you just dip, and that's it.
Our princess.
So just one more thing I want to add. So the water there, even though of course there's a limited amount, but they have a warm water, not hot, only slightly warm water, because they shut off the water heater, right? So not too many people go on Shabbos because of the convenience, this and that, but it's proper for her to go. It's her day. She must go. If she decided not to drive, okay, whatever. So that's a different story. So that's why they have a warm water, not hot. So usually women take they bathe before the Shabbos started, and then they go to the mikvah just to wet. For example, she cannot just go to the water with dry hair. She must wet her hair. Okay, stuff like that. Go ahead.
Princess, the concern about the Eruv is about carrying water in the hair.
Okay, that's actually a good point. I mean, usually you have their towels, and you just take care to remove water, excessive water. Right, so whatever water, if you just before, because your hair is wet, it does not mean that you're carrying water, right? This water, it becomes part of the hair. You understand? So one of the issue why I'm going to explain why this question is asked, right? So it says on Shabbos it's forbidden to swim in a river, right? In a river, ocean, whatever. See. Right? Why? Because on your bathing suit, I'm talking about men. On a bathing suit, you're going to have water that you carry. So this water is not absorbed, but it's still for sure it's on top, and for sure there is no air that is going to next to the water. It's very interesting, very interesting. So several times we went to Dead Sea, and a hotel on a beach, and they have an Eruv. So on Friday, it's right. They put all of this poles, and with the Eruv. So they create Eruv, but it's the Eruv. It's I don't know, but 10 feet, no, maybe 15, 20 feet before the water. So if even though you're allowed to carry, of course, where the Eruv is, but you're not allowed to come next to the water because you're going to carry the water. That's the issue. Okay, so they're very smart there. Okay, so this water is not water basically because it got absorbed.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So, taking this into account, would a person be allowed to dip in the river or the lake or the lake naked if there's no one around?
For as meant for a mikvah, yes. Mm-hmm.
Thank you, Rabbi.
I have a student. He's crazy young person. And I told him not to, but he said, can I? Okay, so he goes to the river to dip at night. So I told him go only at night because he's in yeshiva now, Baruch Hashem. And so because other boys can get jealous and can be think that he's arrogant. So I said, if it's l'shem shamayim, for sure, go when nobody sees you. I'm not sure if he stopped. I'm afraid to ask if he's still going. So in there where he lives, it's snowing and very, very cold. Hopefully he stopped, but I would not be surprised if he actually still going. Okay. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.